What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny, Birdy, Gator. It's another week, and once again, we are back to Dolly. Look at that ice, you guys. Whew. It's warming up, but still kind of cold. Let's get a cart. We have a bunch of pool noodles. I know people love to do things with pool noodles. Love to make wreaths. Ooh, big changes since last week, starting with the cards. All the pretty cards. We have little fortune cookies. Follow your heart. Love you to the moon and back. You hold the key to my heart. The key to happiness is love. We have the little wooden hearts. Really cute. The wooden lips. The wooden rosettes. The wooden hearts with the word love in the middle. And just the word love. Those are so cute. Some of these this year are even protected with a plastic bubble. Sisters before misters. You're my forever galentine. There's no better match than you and me. These are definitely new and cute. Love makes a house a home. Oh, these are cute. Sealed with a kiss. Love is the most beautiful thing in life. And we will be besties forever. I like that this year, a lot of the decorations we have, it's not just like, you know, love for couples. It's like sister love. It's like family love, love for your kids. It's not just all romantic for couples. Which, when that's the case, I think, you know, sometimes people end up being really sad and feeling kind of left out. It's just about love. Any type of love. We have slothy, cute koala. Cupcakes, dinosaurs, unicorns. Jess, has Bree seen this unicorn yet? It's super cute. Love. Hearts. We have little garlands. More wooden items. These little wooden items are so cute. Look, you guys, it's like little gummy bears. That's how I would paint them. I would paint them like gummy bear colors. Wow, I am really impressed. We have love. We have you're my favorite. Oh, you're my favorite babes. Choose kindness. We have hearts and hugs. Wow, you guys. Everything looks so pretty. I really like the kissing booth sign. That's so cute. And now we have like very traditional bags over here. Reds and golds and pinks. Oh, look at this, pugs and kisses. This one is so cute. Hugs and kisses. Aw. Be my meowentine. The kitty. We also have the little red trucks. More wooden DIY stickers. And then we have more like basic paper bags. The 2-pack bags. I feel like these come out every year. The 20-piece bag set for making little treats. I love the font on this one. Oh, look at these, the little containers. They come with little strings. It looks like strings and tags. Oh yeah, it does. It says Happy Valentine's Day. So you could do your own little thing. There's just so much, and this store really looks amazing. Last week I was in here before the blizzard, it was looking so nice and neat, but this area hadn't been set yet. I mean, we even have more items over there. I think I'm gonna put my purse down, you guys. Okay, that feels better now that I put my purse down. Ooh, look at these jumbo craft hearts. Ooh, I love it. What would you guys do with that? What sort of craft? Let me know what you would do with that heart. Now it's super sturdy, it's totally rounded, it's like the perfect heart. What would you do to make it extra cute? If I had one, I think I would try to do that yarn craft where you take glue and you put a piece of yarn on it and then you trim it and it's just like this yarny, like multicolored heart. I think that's what I would like to try. That or maybe something with rhinestones. Oh, who remembers these? These are back. These are so cute. So we have the little dogs and then the super cute frogs, Forever Friends, or Friends Forever. And then we have the little raccoons, you and me, and they're really soft. They're just so cute. And then we have Best Friends. Did I get them all? I think I got them all. Look at the gnomes. The gnomes are back. We have tons of tinsel items. Whoa, you guys, look, we have even more. Look at this little guy. That's pretty cute. XOXO. I mean, we just have so many new pieces. I don't see many repeats from last year. Sometimes we just have a repeat and then some new items, but like this year, I feel like everything is brand new. Except for maybe a few of the bags. And then in addition to the Valentine's Day items, I mean, I'm not even finished, but look, you guys. What? Yes, you guys, we have all of the spring items, the gnomes, the fairy garden pieces. Some of these are so cute, aren't they? Little castle, little cakes with a cherry on top. That's so cute. There is a lot to look at. I didn't even show you guys what was behind me. So I think I need to start another video and show you guys even more so you can get a full look at everything that's new for Valentine's Day 2022. There is a lot to look at. Oh, look, you guys, even little DIY succulents and cactus. Yes, I still love cactus. Look at this one. The only thing is they're sort of warped. They're sort of bending already. And that might be a little bit of a problem. The doilies, those are here every year, of course. The stickers, the gel clings, all the cute little mailboxes. Oh, look at this one. Aww. I love Valentine's Day because everything is like so pretty and so happy. And also I really love hearts. So I love looking at all of these cute items. Oh, this is a 2-pack, you guys. Look, the little containers. This shape would be good for like fragrance mists. If you have a collection of fragrance mists, because it's rounded all the way around, these would hold fragrance mists or paint bottles or any sort of rounded cylinder-like containers that you may have. Yeah, you guys, we have a lot more to look at, so definitely come right back. Join me in the very next video. We're going to look at this entire side and maybe look at some of the spring items, but I think we have so much over here that this is probably going to be a complete video. So yeah, you guys join me in the next one. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing. Everyone is welcome to join the Bunny Birdie Gator family. All right, you guys, well, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.